Here I have XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to record screen, just go to the upper bar and find the button Screen Recorder. By tapping on it once, the recording starts. But firstly, let's examine the options of this mode, which we have by holding our finger on it, then by tapping on the gear icon. So which screen recorder options we have here? For example, we can change its resolution here, you can change video quality, we can change orientation, we can select sound source, we can record mix sound or the system sound, we can use fixed frame rate, and here you can select your frame rate. There's also an option lock screen to end. We can show touch gestures, visualize navigation buttons, and there's also an option go back to screen recorder, open screen recorder start page after you stop recording. So let's try to record something. Tap on this button once and recording starts. Let's record maybe some of the up list, don't know, maybe settings list. So to stop recording, tap on this red button one more time, and after that your recording will be saved to the gallery, to the videos album, and here we have our recording. Let's record maybe some of the up list, don't know, maybe settings list, and from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.